The best ideas come from silence. And the reason why I say that is because for me, when I'm riding in the car going to my destination, sometimes I do not have on the radio, I don't have nothing playing, I just have pure silence. The only things or sounds that I do hear is maybe the blinker, the air condition, other cars riding back and forth. And it gives me time to think. My mind is not all cluttered with music, trying to sing songs and all that. My mind is not occupied. So it gives me time to think. So I think about ideas. It's not like I think about this stuff on purpose. I can be riding down the street and just see a random sign or a random car, and it may make me think about something that helps me in business, helps further my career. I may even think of a new marketing plan for real estate or YouTube or anything like this. I thought of this video by riding down the street in silence. I challenge you to, next time you get into the car and you have a destination to go to, get in the car, cut the music down, cut the radio down, cut your phone off. Don't even touch your phone. Just you driving to your destination, and don't even try to think about anything on purpose. It's going to be something that draws your attention to one object or a sign or something, or color of a car. Just listening to the blinkers, something, you just going to start thinking of random stuff. And I promise you, you will. It's some things like, say someone teaches you their business from A to Z. It's always going to be something that comes up, that a new situation that they didn't teach you or prepare you for. You will start thinking of different things, thinking of different avenues, different routes for you to go to better your success in that business. You can even start thinking of stuff about your marriage, your relationships with your parents, or different kind of things like that. This, by riding in the car in silence, this has helped me so much, tremendously. I just started thinking of random stuff to help me as a person, help me as a business entrepreneur, help me in so many different ways just by riding in the car in total silence. So I challenge you, if you are old enough, if you are of age that you can drive, I challenge you to cut that radio off, just ride in silence, and just start thinking of stuff to help further get you much further in life, much further where you should be. And if you don't have a car, I'm gonna add a segment to this video at the very end, right after I'm done talking here, of me just driving around, and you will hear everything that I would hear if I had no radio on. So you can just put on headphones and watch this video, and you can get to thinking. I'm gonna try to do as much footage as I can of me just driving, so you can just hear the sounds of this atmosphere that I'm in, and you can get to thinking as well. If you're not old enough to drive, or if you don't have a car, you may, when listening to this video, if you don't have a car, you may think of a way or a business idea to better your business so you can get a car. You may think of something special to get you in a position so you can afford a car, or you can get your car fixed. So I challenge you, if you don't have a car, listen to this video, just watch the screen of me driving and put on headphones and just listen to the sounds. It's something about just hearing the sounds of the blinkers, something about hearing other cars just passing you by. It's just something about it that just gets you to start thinking, and you start thinking of stuff that better your life, better your business, better your relationships with your girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband, parents, sisters, siblings. It betters you. I'm telling you, you start thinking of stuff to better prepare you for things in life. Your business may be at like $1,000 a week or something like that, or you could be making $1,000 a week or a day. You may think of a simple idea to boost that income to $2,000 or $3,000. You may be making $1 million a year. You may think of an idea to boost that to make $5 to $10 million that year. You never know. Just get in the car, ride with no radio on. I promise you, it will give you some great ideas. The best ideas come from silence. Remember that.